Alright, hello everybody, this is Epsilon144. In this video I'm going to teach you how to connect your iPad so you can display the screen on your computer. It doesn't matter if you have a Mac or a Windows or a Microsoft PC. Either one is fine because of the software that you're going to download called AirServer. It's called AirServer. It's a software you're going to download. Runs on both, but just make sure you download the correct one for your operating system, whatever it may be. I'm going to demo this real quick, but like and subscribe, for these videos and stuff like this. So here we go. This is a quick demo of what we're going to have. Basically, you'll see over here I have the screen, and as I mess with my iPad, I have it on a stand over here, but I can take it out if you want me to. And it's just, here's a regular iPad. It's just the original iPad 1 right here. All right, and as I move it, you'll see it also move on the screen. So that's the big key. All right, you can go into the browser, and here's my website. So here's my biography about who I am as a music producer, musician. Here's my music tab, so you can get my albums and singles, stuff like that. Submit your music to my stream. So obviously it works. Resources, those are my downloads you can get. If you make electronic music, you can get those downloads. But anyway, that's besides the point. The point is to get this get this onto your computer so you can stream video games. If you play like games at all, if you play a Goat Simulator or something like that, you can stream that, and do any of that. You can stream, so you can draw with the stylus. So if you do artwork, or if you teach like math or something, you can draw and have it come up on the screen right there for you all. So to do that, you have to download something called AirPlay, or AirServer, which is going to function with AirPlay in the iPad. So you want to come to your browser, you want to go online, and you want to go to AirServer.com. You can also just Google AirServer. If you go to google.com and you just search for, it's coming up over there, but if you just search for AirServer, excuse me, you'll notice this. So this will come up as the first one. All right, you want to come to that, and it's taking a little while. I don't know why, but so here's their website. You want to go to download in the top right up here. So you'll see the demo. There's a little guy with an Android phone, and it shows up on the computer. Then there's an iPhone, and it shows up as well, and then iPad. So you can sync any of your portable hand or your mobile devices, and they'll all come through onto your computer. Now, you'd have to use the free trial. This is a licensed software, so you have to pay money for it. I got the customer license for $19.99, or for the $19. That's a weird price, but it's $18.99. And so you just license it as like a licensed software, just like any other software. It's pretty cheap, and you can use it forever. But the free trial is 7 days. If you download that, you get it for your Mac, and you basically get this thing down here, this AirServer logo. All right, if you have a Windows, it's going to show up on your desktop or your downloads, wherever you download it. I'm not going to teach you how to download that because you should know that, but just make sure you save it in your applications folder, or in your downloads folder, or on your desktop. Just know where you save it so you can find it, and install it. Once it's installed, it'll just run, and then when you click on the icon, it's going to say this is your free trial. So click on the start free trial for 7 days, or use your activation key to activate it with your licensing subscription or whatever. And basically you'll get this logo down here, and when you click on it, it's not actually going to do anything on your desktop. It's just going to turn on, but you don't see anything happen on your desktop or on your computer at all. It's just activated, and the real magic happens on your iPad. So we're going to go back to the iPad screen, All right, and you notice the AirServer, it's off right now. When your iPad turns off, it goes back to that little cool standby screen. So we're going to turn the iPad back on, and mine's already connected, so it's going to show up. But I'm going to disconnect this real quick and show you what to do. Well, I have to have it on to show you right now. But basically, on your iPad, you want to come to the bottom and swipe up. Okay, so just go to the very bottom, whether it's in portrait or landscape, and just swipe up down here. Just hold below the screen and then swipe up into the screen, and you get this little selection, kind of like secret menu place where your stuff is, your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all that. And here in this left area, this top left button, you have the turn off AirPlay mirror. You have the AirPlay. All right, so this is all your AirPlay settings. This is where you're going to do it, and choose your computer, whatever your computer is called. In my case, it's Eric's MacBook Air. You're going to select that as what you want to use, and you should be good to go. All right, everything should now connect and pair wirelessly, which is amazing. I think this way is better than using the wired USB into QuickTime. I know there's a way to do this through QuickTime, but I don't think I think this way wirelessly over Bluetooth is a lot more effective, because you don't have to plug in your cables, you don't have to go up and click on crap on the screen. You just basically swipe up right there, and once that's up, you just enable this AirPlay. So you just hit AirPlay. That's all you have to do, and then you're in business. All right, it'll look like this on your computer, so you'll have this open. Let me see if this is up right now. Yeah, all right, we're cool. So you'll just get this on your computer. But if you want to patch this through to OBS, all you have to do for OBS is to just make a what I have right here is just a window. So in OBS, you want to come into your sources, hit the plus button down here, and you want to hit window capture and name it whatever, iPad capture. Alright, and then your window, you want to choose this AirServer, or I don't know if this is showing up. It's not showing up for you. Crap. I'll do it over here. So you want to hit this plus, and you want to come to window capture. Alright, so in your sources, you want to hit plus, window capture, and then you want to name it iPad capture. Alright, and then you want to select the AirServer, and then whatever your iPad's called. In my case, it's Eric's iPad. So choose that. And then boom, you got this now as a window in OBS that you can use, and you can put wherever you want to put it. Alright, but I already have one, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go back to this one, which is still running. That's cool. And I'm going to delete the other one I made as well, because I don't need it. Okay, so that's how you get it into OBS. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. Alright, make sure your Bluetooth is on your computer. Hopefully it has Bluetooth. I'm pretty sure computers nowadays all come with that, but hopefully. If not, leave a comment in the comments, and I'll help solve your problem. And make sure the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPad as well. So on the iPad, come into settings, go to Bluetooth right down there, and make sure that's turned on, like it is on the screen here. Okay. So once Bluetooth is on, the AirPlay can just communicate between the computer and your iPad really easily, just based on Bluetooth. So it's right there. All right, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, leave a comment in the comments, or just email me. I have a website at epsilon144.com. You can contact me through there, or preferably in the comments in this video, so it's all organized, and we can all kind of help each other out. And if we have troubleshooting or problems, we can all kind of work on it together, you know. But anyway, so that's how you connect your iPad to your computer, and also into OBS using sources to a window capture. So once again, for OBS, you want to come down here to the sources, and then plus button to add one, and window capture. And then in window capture, choose your iPad AirServer. All right, it'll be under AirServer. And that's how you connect your iPad into your computer and OBS for streaming and for recording stuff on your iPad directly. So that's a very simple and effective way to do it. Thank you for watching. Take care.